Hi everyone, I'm Lindsay with Ellie and Max Sewing Patterns. I love finding new fabric resources. I love to be able to try new things and hopefully it's a good experience and then I can tell you how you can find all of the great fabrics that I am able to find. So today we're going to be unboxing Fabric Wholesale Direct. I have some great vinyl in here for some new bags that I'm working on, and I thought it would be really fun just to go ahead and unbox it together, and then I can also show you the process of making the bag. So let's see what's inside. I want to tell you that I received this very quickly. So if you are someone who needs your fabric quickly, they get an A+ for shipping. Also, if you're noticing, this box is really well protected against the elements. I can already see it and it's really beautiful and I can't wait to show you. Are you ready? Okay, so of course I said I was making myself a bag. So I ordered pink because I love pink, but look at this. How vibrant and beautiful is that? Not only that, but like, it's wide, it's a ton of fabric. Sometimes I order vinyl and I get like one small roll. Do you know what I mean? If you use vinyl, I think you'll know what I mean. And then you wonder if you have enough to make your project. Well, I definitely have enough to make my project. Also, if I recall, this fabric was extremely reasonable. So you can make a bag for a great price and look at the quality. It looks great. It's got that awesome leather look. I really like this. But this is my pink. Let's get the other one out. And then of course I went with brown. I love this. I don't know if you can see it. It's such a variegated brown. It has some kind of darker browns mixed with this chestnut lighter brown color. This is gonna make a gorgeous, gorgeous bag. So this one is for another bag project. I might make the Michelle bucket bag with this. I think that would look really beautiful. And I currently have a black bucket bag, so I think this will be perfect for a brown one to have another option. This is going to be our Claudia cubic bag, and it's essentially like a rectangle bag that unzips diagonally, and then it can store all of your things. So you can use it for sewing, for makeup, for toiletries, for travel, for all kinds of things. Crocheting, paint, anything you can organize. Legos, kids' toys, trains, you know. So I'm really excited to get to sewing this with you and letting you know how it performs while I'm sewing. But so far, I just really love it. Fabric Wholesale Direct they're fast, the price is great, and so far this quality is excellent. So I hope you've had fun unboxing this with me. Definitely check out Fabric Wholesale Direct. I will be adding them to our website under fabric companies we love because I love it. And they have all kinds of different fabric types. So if you're looking for fabric for garment construction, they've got you covered. If you're looking for bag making, they've got you covered. They have all kinds of fabrics. So take a look and let me know what you think. But I think it's a win.